Okay, so this is just one ball, but this is a different environment. Good girl, and she usually does really well here. Yes. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl, Lynn. Yes. She almost brings it to hand. Yeah. Oh, good girl. Yes. Good job. Nice. So she always does really well here. The environment is obviously different. Yes. That was two hands. I don't know if the camera got that. Yes. The ball is different. It's a really squishy, rubbery type ball. Yes. So really, I hope this is catching it. She will actually bring it to hand, and she never, in this situation, yes, will hoard the ball. You better get it. Or put it, want to bury it. Of course, there's nowhere here to bury it. So I just wanted to show that, and then we're going to do it with two balls.